Hey everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to draw an anime head. Now the first thing we're going to do is hold the pencil a little bit higher to get lighter pressure on the pencil. Now starting at the top of our page, we're going to draw in a circle to represent the size of the head we want to draw. Now the next thing we're going to do is sketch a line down the center of our page, splitting the circle in half. Now we're going to sketch in a horizontal line just directly below the bottom of the circle to locate the chin. And now the cross section between the chin and the center line, we're going to angle up towards the sides of the circle. Now we're going to move up towards the sides of the circle and draw an angled line coming down to where the circle meets that jaw line. And now we'll connect the points of the jaw with a horizontal line. Now let's move up and locate the center of the circle and draw a horizontal line going across from left to right. Now in between the center line and the left side of the head, we're going to locate the center and draw an oval for the pupil. And we'll do the same thing for the right side. Directly above each pupil, we're going to draw a curve for the upper eyelid. And then at the bottom of each pupil, we'll draw a short horizontal line. Now we're going to move in towards the center and down and locate the nose. We're going to draw a short angled line going up and out towards the right. Now in between the tip of the nose and the chin, we're going to draw a small oval for the mouth. Now we're going to move back down and just round out the bottom of the chin. And then we'll move out and round out the jaw. Let's move up above the eyes and draw two curves for the eyebrow. Now that we blocked out the basic shape of the head, we're going to move down underneath the chin and just draw a horizontal line to locate the shoulders. And we want to make sure that the shoulders are the same width as the head. At the end of the shoulders, we're going to draw two circles for the shoulder joint. Now we'll move back to the center and draw the neck. So we're going to start with the left side. We're going to draw two straight lines coming down towards the shoulder line. And then at the base of the neck, we're just going to blend this into a curve going out towards the left and right. And then we'll also go in and round out the shoulders. In the center, directly below the shoulder line, we're going to draw in the clavicle. So it starts with a U shape, and then from the top of the U, we're going to draw an angled line aiming up towards the top circle of the shoulder. Now at the bottom of the shoulders, I'm going to draw a straight line going across just to represent the shirt. Now we're going to move back up and start blocking out the hair, starting with the hairband coming down the center. And then from here, we're just going to work our way out towards the left and right. Now we're going to come down around the eyes for the side of the hair. Now we're going to draw on the top of the head, but I'm going to go a little bit higher than the circle that we started with. And for a little fun, I'm just going to add a couple of cat ears on either side of the head. Now we're going to layer the hair in behind the cat ears, the head, and the body. Now the next step is going in and adding some detail with the point of my pencil. Now at this stage, I don't want to add too much detail with the pencil because I'm going to be going back with my ink pen and erasing all these lines. Now my favorite part, I'll be going back over my lines with an ink pen. And once I'm done my inking, I'll go back in and erase all those pencil lines and color my character in. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's our step-by-step on how to draw an anime head. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.